College. That is typically a place that we want so many of our children to go to, but it's not always the right choice for everyone. Sometimes technical schools are better. Sometimes apprenticeships are better. But the universal thing around all three of those is that you gotta be able to pay. 529 plans allow you to plan for just that. If you have been very good with your finances, you probably opened one up when your kids were really young to be able to take advantage of not only the tax breaks from that, but also the interest and the upside of the stock market. But did you know you can still take advantage of it even if your kids are in school today from a tax perspective? Okay, at the Financial Literacy for the Incomplete Parent Workshop, we work with you to make sure that you're at least considering that in how you plan for your kids going to college. Come and join us. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.